Hi everyone, welcome back. As ODOO 11 is out, we are going to see the installation of ODOO 11 also. So first we have to install Python 3 for ODOO 11. So it's already installed in my system. So next we are going to install. In the meantime, I will just extract ODOO version 11 and place in the workspace folder. Looks like it's going to take much more time. So I'll just pause the video and get back to you when the download is complete. So finally pip for Python 3 has been installed. So next let's go for ODOO installation. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video. So the installation of Python modules for ODOO 11 has been completed. So let's just run and see. So it's running in port 8069. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.